How can do it? First of all, let x here n tends to 0. Okay, if put here n this equal to 0, okay, then 2 to power 2 plus 2 minus 6, and here 2 to power minus 1 and 2 to power minus 1, basically 0 by 0. Okay, basically this is 0 by 0. So how can do it? You can common in upper part 2 to power 2, simply 2, because of you can write now here n tends to 0, that is 2. If 2 to power 1 common, then we got that is 2 to power 1 plus n minus, sorry, plus 2 to power minus n, and that one is written as simply 3, divide by, okay, and numerator 2 to power minus 1 common, then we got 2 to power minus n by 2 and minus 2 to power minus n. Clear or not? Very simple. Okay, clear or not? So if 2 to power plus n common, okay, limit n tends to 0, that is this is 4. If 2 to power minus 2n, simply n, 2 to power n common, then we got 2 plus 2 to power minus 2n, 2 to power minus 2n, and minus 3 to 2 to power minus n. Clear or not? Clear? And divided by here, if common 2 to power minus 2, 2 to power minus n, then we got that is minus n by 2 minus n plus n. So if this one is common, then minus n by 2 plus n, then we got n by 2. So 2 to power n by 2 minus 1. Clear or not? Okay, clear or not? Minus n. Okay, clear? So first of all, how can do? Limit n tends to 0, that is 4 into 2 to power 2n. Upper part. Now this one is written as minus 3, sorry, 2 to power minus 2n minus 3 into 2 to power n minus n and plus 2. Okay, divided by 2 to power n by 2 minus 1. I know that if this is x square minus 3x plus 2, then that one is written as 2x minus x plus 2. It means x minus 2 into x minus 1. Okay, so basically you can x is replaced to limit n tends to 0, 4 into 2 to power 2n, 4 into 2 to power 2n in bracket, written as 2 to power minus n minus 2 into 2 to power n minus 1. Okay, clear or not? Divide by 2 to power n by 2 minus 1. Clear? And this 2 to power minus 2n also written as limit n tends to 0, 4 into 2 to power, basically this one is written as 2 to power 2n plus 2 in bracket 2 to power minus n minus 2. This one is written as 2 to power, this is minus, okay, minus n by 2. Basically this one is written as or 2 to power minus n by 2 minus 1 into 2 to power n by 2, okay, and this is minus 1. Basically this one and 2 to power minus n by 2 plus 1. Clear or not? And if here 2 to power minus n by 2 common, minus of then we got 2 to power minus n by 2 minus 1. Clear or not? Very simple. Okay, make it. After that you can do it. Limit n tends to 0, that one 2 to power 2n plus 2, okay, divided by minus 2 to power n by 2. Clear? That one and that one are cancel out, so simply we got 2 to power minus n by divided by into 2 to power minus n by 2 plus 1 divided by, that is simply 1. Okay, so put n this equal to 0, then we got 2 power simply 2, that is 2 to power 0 minus 2, 2 to power 0 plus 1, and divide by minus 2 to power 0. So finally that is 4, that is minus 1, and that is 2 divided by minus 2. So finally we got plus 8 is the right answer. If any doubt, then comment it, I will discuss again. Okay.